Hi guys, today we are going to see how to sell digital downloads on Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Today we are going to see how to sell digital downloads on Shopify. So we're now customize an end-of-life guidebook with a digital download option. After customers purchase the book and complete the checkout process, they'll receive a download link. Now go to the Shopify App Store. Here search Digital Download. Now select this Digital Downloads app. Install this app. Now install again and integrate this app. After installation, all the products will be displayed within this app. Choose any one products which you want to sell as digital downloads. I'm selling this end-of-life guidebook, so select this product. Here you upload book PDF file. PDF successfully uploaded. Now click on Fulfillments and set up setting according to your requirements. Also, set the limit on the number that how many times customers can download this PDF. Always choose Automatically Send File. Note that if you select the manual option, it will take a lot of time. And apply this. And save it. After customers purchase this book and complete the checkout process, they will receive a download option for the book so they can easily download this book. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.